Wheel Collectors is back. Today we have something amazing. We have something that you need to see. We have Matchbox SUPERFAST. We're gonna do an unboxing, and you know what? This is so cool. I'm gonna pop a couple of these out of the package so you guys can take a look at them. Matchbox SUPERFAST has been making a comeback, guys. This case is unbelievable. 8 cars in a SUPERFAST case. I'm just gonna go one by one. There might be 2 of something. We're just gonna show them to you one at a time. The first car in the SUPERFAST box is the '59 Volkswagen Microbus. Check that out, guys. Those decals are sweet. Got the 60s look to it with the peace sign. I can't even see what that says on the side there. I think it just says Volkswagen. Got a flower on there. It's got the hippie vibe. It's got the headlights with the Volkswagen symbol. That one's going to be a great one, guys. The next car in the case is the '74 Dodge Challenger convertible. Convertible top, maroon colors, number 2 in the set. And also, I don't know if you guys know this, but SUPERFAST has real riders, and they call them true grip tires on the card back. Very cool. The next car in the case is the Mercedes-Benz Amg 6x6. It's in blue. Got the Matchbox on the back. It's got a license plate. Just a random license plate. It's got SUPERFAST logo on the tailgate. It's a very cool metallic blue. Again, we're going to pop a few of these open after the unboxing so you can see what they look like. The next car in the case, which looks like it's 2 per case, I just saw the next car. So this is 2 per case, is the '82 Datsun 280ZX. This has that full retro feel. This is exactly what I remember when I was growing up. It's got the decals on the side, the Z on the side. It's got the T-tops. That's an amazing model, guys. And then the last 2 cars of the 8 cars. Oh no, there's another one in there. There's another Mercedes. So the Mercedes is 2 per case also. The last 2 cars in the case are, there's 2 of them. It's the Volvo V60 Wagon. It's got the SUPERFAST tampos on it. At first I thought that was a police car, but number 60 on the side, SUPERFAST Matchbox, Volvo on the hood. These things have very nice detail. And they also come with a box. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to pop open the Volkswagen. I'm sorry, the Volvo, the Volkswagen, the Dodge, the Datsun, and the Mercedes. So they all come with a nice little box. Here's a nice little view of it loose. You can edit this part. The next one is the Datsun 280ZX. Looks like it has opening doors, guys. And it does. Check that bad boy out. The next one we're going to open is the Mercedes. That car is amazing with real riders, guys. Look at that metallic blue. The last two we're going to open is the Dodge Challenger and the Volkswagen. There's a lot of paraphernalia when you open several cars in a row. Here's the box. Nice. 50th Superfast. Looks like the hood opens on this one. Oh, nice. Painted engine. And the last car that we're going to open. Ooh, it's kind of got like a metallic pearl on it. I didn't notice that. Got the flowers on it. Oh, that one also has opening doors. Let's see if I can get those open. Check that out, guys. You can get in the interior. There we have it. Matchbox Superfast is smoking. Check them out. Thanks everybody for joining us at Wheel Collectors. This is hot off the truck.